Hey tech lovers! Google just dropped the Pixel Buds 2a, bringing active noise cancellation to the A series for the first time. They're smarter, lighter, and packed with features. But are they really worth the upgrade? Let's break all down. Let's start with its active noise cancellation, ANC, finally in the A series. Google added ANC powered by the Tensor A1 chip. Users are impressed that for the price, the noise cancelling is strong, especially at blocking consistent background noise, like fans, etc. Comfort and fit? They're lighter and smaller than earlier models, with a twist-to-adjust stabilizer that helps to keep them in place. Many users say you can wear them for long periods without discomfort. Good battery life for this class. With ANC on, people are getting about 7 hours and more when it's off. With the case, total usage time, Buds plus case, hits 20 to 27 hours under good conditions. Feature set and value? Gemini AI integration, live with Gemini features is, etc. Give extra utility. The charging case has a replaceable battery, which is a plus for durability and long-term ownership. IP54 rating for water, sweat, dust resistance helps for everyday situations. When it comes to its solid sound quality for non-audiophiles, many say that the clarity is good, vocals come through well, bass is decent, and that for the mid-range price, you get more than you might expect. Yeah, let's talk now about what could be as the drawbacks on these buds. Wireless charging missing? Yep, that's like selling a car with everything except the cup holder. No onboard volume control. Great if you like always playing Guess the Volume with your phone in your pocket. The price has crept up. Compared to past A-series models, you're paying more. Some feel that for not that much extra, you could consider a Pro model. Overall, the Google Pixel Buds 2a offer impressive sound, solid noise cancellation, and all-day comfort at a fair price. Though they lack wireless charging and onboard volume control, their smart features and tight Google integration make them a strong, well-rounded choice for everyday Android users. Tell us your thought about this and click the link below if want to check. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech gadget reviews and honest product evaluations every week.